Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's all right, all right. So today I'm going to introduce you to a new bed I just got. This is a Tempur-Pedic Adapt Medium Hybrid Twin XL. And just a real quick tip, XL means it's extra long, 6 inches. I'm 5'9", so that comes in handy so the bed is long enough for my feet don't go over. And if you know Tempur-Pedic, it's high-end, great quality, memory foam, very soft, comfortable, adapts to the body. That's what you want. And with this bed particular, there's 4 levels. When I say levels, the first one is, the cool to touch cover, meaning it's very cool. You shouldn't wake up too hot or sweating, which is great. And also with this cover, which is a great feature, here's the zipper. You can actually unzip this cover and throw it in the washing machine and keep it clean. So that's a real nice feature as well. But I do recommend getting a protective mattress cover, which will help you with any kind of spills or stains. And it would also help, with the Tempur-Pedic warranty, which is 10 years, which is impressive because you want to keep the mattress and the memory foam in general, very clean. And if it gets wet, obviously it won't last as long. All right, so now we're on level 2, guys. Level 2 is called the Tempur-Es Comfort Layer. So that's actually a softer feel in combination with support that helps relax the body. Okay? So the third layer, and when we're talking layers and levels, so again, this is the cover, level 1, level 2, and now we're on level 3. So that's actually the original, Tempur-Pedic support layer. And that's a pretty good chunk. So that's on the level 3. Level 4 is the hybrid technology. So that's actually 1,000 plus premium coils designed to work with, the Tempur material. So we're talking on the bottom, and it's a pretty good portion, and you actually get the coils. So this bed actually comes with the coils or without. With the coils is the hybrid, and I actually tried them both out in stores, and I definitely prefer the hybrid. It just seems more comfortable. Your muscles, your body just feels more relaxed, more supported at the same time. But again, I did end up purchasing this online, which you can do as well. I'll put a link in the description. You can purchase it on Amazon. And as you know, Amazon, they're going to give you the best prices. You don't have to go in store and haggle with the bed people and fight over prices. I mean, I'm not trying to buy a car. I don't really like doing that kind of stuff. So let's see. On the side, it says Tempur-Pedic. Picture of the person sleeping very comfortably. Now we look to the right. As you can see, it's the Adapt Medium hybrid technology. And I also like this casing, how this is gray and it looks nice with the gray on white. And you guys should know that you do need to get a Tempur-Pedic box spring. And it's actually on the bottom. I bought the low profile, 5 inches. It's gray. It actually looks great with the bed. And as far as the framing, yes, you can use a metal frame. You can see mine on the bottom because people ask me, can you use a regular metal frame? Do you still have clearance for your goodies and toys on the bottom of your bed? And the answer is yes. So as you can see my metal frame, and if we go in, I can still keep my shoes there, my knives, my guns, baseball bats, anything that, that you need, you still have room under your bed for all that good stuff. So like I said, guys, very comfortable, very relaxing, feels supportive on your body. Once you get in this bed, you're not going to want to feel like getting out of it. Trust me. Been in it several times today. Just so comfortable, relaxing. So again, highly recommend it. Put a link in the description below. You can purchase it on Amazon. Any questions you got, throw them at me. Try and answer them for you. Been studying beds a lot recently. So for the rest of the day, enjoy it. Maybe buy a bed today, but be happy, enjoy life, and stay positive. All right, all right.